Hi, this is a small proof of concept demo for integrating Testship features with Explorer so that programs can be tested from right within the Explorer itself. So let's get started with one example program here. This is a sample swap token program that's deployed on DevNet. And to test it, you need to go to the testing tab here. Let's wait for the tab to be loaded. Yes. So from here, you need to make sure your wallet is connected here. And let's first select the first instruction. What we need one ID that's of the data type public key. So let's create a new key pair here. Let's give it a name. Let's copy its public key and let's save it. I'll put the public key here. Let's add the remaining values. We need one admin as well. Let's create another key pair. We'll call it admin. Let's copy its public key. We'll save it as well. And rest of the values are already filled here. And let's run the transaction. Okay, let me add the password. And you can see that the transaction is successful here. Let's go to to the next instruction that we need to test. It's create pool. And here, these are the PDAs that are waiting for this two values to be added. So let's add mint and mint B. For this, we'll need an SQL token. So let's go to utilities again, select SQL token. And let's create a new token. Let's copy it. And we have to mint it to our wallet's token account. So I select my wallet and let's add 10,000 of this. Now it has been minted to my wallet. Let's add it to our form. While at the minting, for minting, I'll be using an existing token that I have in my wallet. It's this USD coin dev. So let's copy its mint and add it here. And as soon as I add this to values, you can see that the PDS are automatically calculated. Now we need token program and associated token program. I've added the token program and associated token programs IDs. Let's run the transaction now. As you can see here, let's confirm the transaction and then the transaction is successful now. Let's go to the next instruction to deposit liquidity. Let's add 1,000 tokens of each. And the rest of the values are already filled here. So let's just run the transaction. Let's confirm it. And the transaction is successful here. Now let's test the final swap instruction. So here we need to define the direction of swap and how many tokens of A we are sending and how many tokens of B we are expecting in return in minimum quantity. Rest of the values are already either pre-filled or calculated automatically. Let's run the transaction. Let's execute this. And this is also successful. Now all this transaction you can check from the history tab here. Let me refresh it. And you can see all these transactions here.